Dear students, in this topic we shall discuss the reproductive hormones in detail. The reproductive hormones of vertebrates belong to two chemical categories: steroid sex hormones and peptide hormones. These hormones develop the primary and secondary sexual characters. They also control and regulate reproductive activities of animals. First, we shall discuss in detail the steroid sex hormones, which include progesterone, estrogens, and androgens. Progesterone and estrogens predominate in female animals, while androgens predominate in male individuals. The steroid sex hormones are produced by the gonads, that is, testes and ovaries. Small quantities of these hormones are also produced by the adrenal cortex of both sexes in varying quantities. Dear students, the steroid sex hormones are synthesized from cholesterol. कोलेस्ट्रॉल इज द पेरेंट मॉलिक्यूल जिससे तमाम स्टीरॉयड हार्मोन्स बनाए जाते हैं. कोलेस्ट्रॉल को सबसे पहले प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन में कन्वर्ट किया जाता है. प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन इज देन ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड इनटू एंड्रोजन्स जैसे कि टेस्टोस्टेरोन और एंड्रोस्टिनिडियोन में. एंड्रोजन्स से नेक्स्ट कन्वर्जन एस्ट्रोजन्स के लिए होती है. इस तरह से कोलेस्ट्रॉल, कोलेस्ट्रॉल से प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन, प्रोजेस्ट्रॉन से एंड्रोजन्स और एंड्रोजन्स से एस्ट्रोजन्स बनते हैं. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, स्टीरॉयड सेक्स हार्मोन्स, that is estrogens, androgens, and progesterone, are very important in both sexes in various aspects of growth and morphological differentiation. They are also important in the regulation of reproductive cycles, and they are also important in the development of sexual behaviors. Dear students, now we shall discuss the roles of androgens in males. Androgens trigger the development of primary male sexual characters in the embryo. For example, testes, penis, development of vas deferens, development of epididymis and prostate gland, and development of seminal vesicles. All these characters are called the primary male sexual characters, and they are formed because of the action of androgens in the embryo. Dear students, androgens also produce male secondary sexual characters. These characters develop after the puberty. These characters include the lion's mane, rooster's comb, plumage in birds, facial hair in men, body musculature in males, and voice coarseness. ये सारे secondary sexual characters हैं and they develop after puberty. Dear students, androgens primarily stimulate spermatogenesis by the germinal cells of testes. They also contribute to the synthesis of specialized proteins which are called myofibrillar proteins in the muscles of males. ये प्रोटीन्स हैं जो बुनियादी तौर पर मेल की मस्कुलैरिटी के साथ इन्वॉल्व हैं. मेल्स में जो मस्कुलैरिटी ज़्यादा है उसकी वजह ये वाली प्रोटीन्स की प्रेजेंस होती है और दे आर प्रोड्यूस्ड अंडर द इफेक्ट ऑफ एंड्रोजन्स. Dear students, now we shall discuss the role of steroid sex hormones in females. Estrogens and progesterone are the primary steroid sex hormones in females. They stimulate the development of female primary sexual characters, for example, uterus, ovaries, and vagina. These hormones also develop the secondary female sexual characters. For example, the development of breasts. These hormones also regulate the reproductive cycles, that is, the menstrual cycle in human and some other primate females, and estrous cycle in all other mammalian females. Dear students, in addition to steroid sex hormones, two peptide hormones also play important role during parturition and lactation. These hormones are prolactin and oxytocin. Prolactin stimulates the development of and growth of mammary glands and milk synthesis in mammals. ऑक्सीटोसिन एक स्पेशलाइज्ड रोल प्ले करता है ड्यूरिंग पार्चुरेशन, जब ये यूट्रस की वॉल के अंदर स्ट्रॉन्ग किस्म की कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस प्रोड्यूस करता है, जिसके नतीजे में चाइल्ड बर्थ होती है। इसके अलावा ऑक्सीटोसिन बर्थ के बाद मदर के मेमरी ग्लैंड से मिल्क की इंजेक्शन में भी रोल प्ले करता है।